Salut tout le monde! Welcome to our French Mastery series. Today, we're unlocking ordinal determiners, the words that tell order and position in French. They work exactly like English, first, second, third, but in French. You'll use them for rankings, floors, dates, races, everything. Stay with us and you'll sound completely natural. Let's begin.
Ordinal determiners indicate the order or sequence of people or things. They specify position or rank in a series.
Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore how they are formed. Most are formed simply by adding the suffix ième to the cardinal number. Deux becomes deuxième, second. Trois becomes troisième, third. Quatre becomes quatrième, fourth. Cinq becomes cinquième, fifth. Six becomes sixième, sixth. Sept becomes septième, seventh. Huit becomes huitième, eighth. Neuf becomes neuvième, ninth. Dix becomes dixième, tenth. Onze becomes onzième, 11th. Douze becomes douzième, 12th.
With that foundation in place, here are the important spelling notes. In writing, the final E in the suffix can sometimes disappear or change.
But the number 1 is a special exception. We use première for masculine singular and première for feminine singular. Abbreviations are première and première.
For the last position, we use dernier for masculine and dernière for feminine.
Before we look at real-world use, remember they agree in gender and number with the noun. Premier homme, première femme.
Now let's see them in real life. J'habite au deuxième étage. I live on the second floor. J'habite au deuxième étage. Elle est arrivée en première position. She came in first place. Elle est arrivée en première position. Il est arrivé en dernière position. He came in last place. Il est arrivé en dernière position. C'est mon troisième voyage à Paris. This is my third trip to Paris. C'est mon troisième voyage à Paris.
Now you know every major rule.
You've now mastered every concept. Which ordinal will you use first? Tell us in the comments. Hit like if this helped, subscribe, and ring the bell for more lessons. Merci beaucoup for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time. À bientôt.